Am I the only one devouring and going in while some whales are cashing out their positions? I'm about to see. Who is selling. Well, we're probably gonna hear some things going on right now, and that's the purpose, because everybody's watching. Let's go ahead and give some time. What's up? Cheers. We're live. Charts are up and ready. Up and ready for another one, guys. What's up, everybody? Oh man, that's a week. I gotta tell you, that's a week. I am going in for sure, but I want to see if I'm the only bullish one. For sure, I think a lot of people are considering, but we're here. XRP holders, Shiba Inu, Cronos, crypto, and the rest. How we feeling? This is the 22nd. 22nd is right here, literally. 22nd is right there, literally. You know what happened, guys? I'll tell you exactly what happened. What happened is that it's the weekend. That's it. That's basically it. In a normal week, this is what we did. This is what we did in a normal week, right? The weekend, selling. Why? Lack of news. That's what it is. That is what it is, guys. Go ahead and smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Welcome. Welcome back to Sunday Night Live with Oscar Ramos, guys. Another beautiful day to just chill and relax and have some opinions and comments. But as I'm telling my community over Discord, YWAD, what's up, man? Happy to see you. Welcome. This is the beginning of XRP, of course. 2025 will be the most interesting year of XRP. I do believe so, man. I do believe so. A lot of people are bullish. The question is who's selling? Well, we'll see. Well, guys, very happy to be here with you guys once again. I am telling you guys, I am not slowing down my positions. I don't care. But bearish vibes, they're already out. Bearish vibes. I'm all full bull mode right now. Every single time that I get some chance, I'm just adding. I don't really I know that we can go lower for sure. I know. I mean, I think that's there's a possibility. But XRP and Bitcoin and Cronos and Shiba Inu, HBAR, I'm just buying right now. Long-term positions. First link down below, everybody. Take a look at Margex. Sign up to 10,000 welcome bonus in your deposit. No KYC, guys, and there's a lot of people that are already trading. So if you need a place where you want to trade, more than welcome to join us, guys. I'm trading every single day, winning, losing, holding, you know, the whole deal. I think what's going on, everybody, I'm very happy to see over 100 people watching us. What's going on, guys? Very happy to be with you. You know, we're always live every Sunday, guys. Even if the market is not going our way, we're still here. Even if the market is not going our way, we're still here. What's up? Shiba Inu make a pullback this week, go up. What I think is going on, honestly, it's just the weekend. It's literally just the weekend. Because, look, this week started on the 18th. On the 18th, here's the 18th. There's the 18th. This week started on the 18th, and this is Friday. This is Saturday and Sunday where we didn't have like a lot of news. Plus, we got the Russian, Ukraine missile attacks and all of that. That is enough to balance the news for the selling side, and they just go ahead and flush the market. Makes sense. Makes sense. I've seen before how Monday comes in, good news come in, and then it all starts going back up. Starts all going back up. I don't want to be in a position that I'm buying the FOMO. I'm not really want to be in that position. I want to be in the position that I'm buying the dips and I'm buying low. And if the price keeps going down, we'll keep adding some DCA positions, and that's it. Period. That's the way I'll roll. Guys, yesterday we had our 100,000 special Sunday Night Live, so very happy to really give some money out. For those who won, I'm still giving out the money. I already gave 3 people, so I'm missing 7. So throughout today, right, and this week, I'll be sending those names too. So just make sure if you're a winner, you know what to do. We already talked about it, so thank you so much. Decentraland. So that's what I'm saying, like Decentraland, Axie, Sandbox, moving up. Why? They're nothing special, really. It's just the money is rotating. The money is moving. The money is moving, guys. The money is moving. So the question is, who is selling? They just want to freak people out. Of course, I mean, I'm Oscar Ramos. I'm not a genie. I'm not a very important person, right? I don't know everything. But what I know is that how would you just go to $99,000 and just reject all of the sudden? It's the weekend. Henry, it's Oscar Ramos right now, but once global crypto regulations adoptions are set, it's the Oscar de la Hoya. My man, Henry, thank you so very much, brother. I appreciate that a lot, bro. Thank you for the kind super chat. Guys, it just makes no sense. I just see it and it clicks already. It clicks. Don't be bearish. Like, if we go lower, okay, I'm just adding position to my long-term investments. It will go back up. It cannot go lower than we had in October. It cannot. That I can almost guarantee you that we are not going to go pre-election prices. Seeing XRP at 50 cents, I don't think so. I don't think so. That's just me speaking. I just made a video saying 100% never again XRP price under $1. That is very bullish, I gotta say. That's something what people have been saying it, and I tell you that some experts are talking about it. Never say never in crypto, right? That's something that I forgot to mention in the video, but it's okay. Definitely, for those who are buying and loading up an XRP, you'll find out that I think we're not making a mistake. Some of my most watched videos are now XRP videos, and the reason is because this community is phenomenal. And this community really wants XRP to balloon to well past $10. And it's going to happen. It's going to happen. I ask you something, guys. Smashing the like button right now. We have 300 people watching. Let's get up. Let's get more people in the house, right? There's a lot. There's now 100,000 subscribers, and I want to serve everybody with all questions and comments. And what a great achievement, and it's all because of you guys. And let's just go ahead and continue delivering greatness, you know? I'm going to go ahead and change the screen in just a second, but I just wanted to give you some thoughts right now, right? As you're coming in, as you're, barely starting right now, the live, the Sunday Night Live. As you know, Sunday Night Live is always chill vibes, Oscar without music, typically, and just telling you some thoughts that I have. Last week, actually, I want to tell you something. Last Sunday Night Live, we had like 1,500 people. It was crazy. Why? Well, because of this. Because Sunday, we had BTC at 90, but XRP was doing really good last week, I remember. Yep. You see that? We had just passed the $1 and we were in this consolidation. Like, it was crazy. We were so bullish. So A week ago, the price of XRP was literally $1, roughly $1, and yeah, $1. Had just passed $1 a week ago. We continue the consolidation, and now we pumped. Now, it is our duty to hold the line, to really hold the line, and don't go below this one. If we see that we touch this level, then brace yourselves. That is XRP long term. Hey, Oscar, you used to cover big on AMP. Where do you stand? As I've mentioned many times about AMP token, brother, I'm still holding that beauty. Is staked on Flexa Network. I haven't moved that. It's down. I'm not planning to sell that. I'm just waiting. Some positions that I've bought years ago, like AMP token, I'm not really worried because it's not that I put $50,000 on it, right? It's just at its time back in the day, I was like, okay, it's some decent money, but I can live okay even if it goes to zero. It didn't go to zero, but I'm happy that I'm still holding. So great question, right? Of course. And I appreciate all my AMP token fam, right? Oh, Janet Yellen. Yeah, I saw something that she resigned. I gotta take a look at something over there. I gotta take a look at something for sure. I saw that I think she resigned abruptly. Seems to be official. Today is the 20. Okay, that was yesterday. Well, that's something that it should have been posted on Watch Your Guru. It says Janet Yellen departs from office as she leaves a trail of mess behind her. That's from the New York Post. That's a big one because she's a Treasury Secretary. So that's crazy. Fruit and veggies, what's up, bro? Why 2 charts, my man? Because that's how much we like XRP. No, I was just referencing something. Let's go back to Bitcoin right here. Bitcoin 4 hours. Well, all right, guys. Very happy to have almost 500 people. Welcome to Sunday Night Live. And, well, what do we have today? Well, guys, earlier this week, BTC was nowhere even close to 99,000. It was 91. And now we almost basically touch 100. In some exchanges, it actually touched 100, like crypto.com on the application. And now we rejected down to 95,000. And it seems that we're bouncing back because people are trading a lot, right? They're trading. They really want their BTC once again to passing $100,000. So my proposition is I'm just going full degen, buying the tokens and the projects that I know are going to be here with us for a long time. And Shiba Inu is another one, right? That it really hasn't done much, but we saw some pumps with Shiba Inu, guys. Shout out to my Shiba Inu army watching. What's going on, guys? How's the Shiba Inu community doing today? Made a video on Shiba Inu earlier today just to give you an idea, right, of what happened, how we pumped, but we dumped with all the market right here. I know a lot of people are extremely disappointed with Shiba Inu. I mean, I'm thankful that I'm not the one responsible for what Shiba Inu is, right? But I do want to see Shiba Inu do really well, and I think we're gonna do well. I mean, Dogecoin is $60 billion. Shiba Inu is $15 billion. PEPE is $8 billion. Bread, Floki, Bonk, and all of that. Like, we still have these meme coins, and remember how fast they rush. So having patience is really an art. Let's be patient. I know, more patient. I know. I mean, I know exactly. Thank you so much for the donations. I'm going to read them right now to you guys. Welcome to the 500 people watching us. Welcome to Sunday Night Live with Oscar Ramos. Smash your like button immediately, guys, so we have more people coming into with us. As always, on Sundays, we take it chill. We see what's going on. If we get a pump, let's go. If we get a dump, let's go. Whatever it is, as you see on the thumbnail, I am going in. I've been telling my private community on Discord, you guys are more than welcome to join us. Shout out to all of them. I'm going in. I'm buying almost every single day because I'm tired of being a chicken and a coward. It's time to be bearish. And we're going to make it really, really nice. Price predictions on PEPE. I think it's much better market cap predictions on PEPE. PEPE should be around the $30 to $25 billion in full market, in full altcoin season. PEPE should do a 5 to 6, 7x at full altcoin season. Do I have a lot of PEPE? The answer is no. I do have a little bit of PEPE. It's just a token that I rather distribute my funds to somebody else, but it doesn't mean that PEPE won't make a lot of people rich, because it will. That's what I think. Any thoughts on XLM, its future utilization and price prediction, and its relation to XRP, XDC, and how they all work, neither each other, and HBAR? Henry, appreciate your kind donation, buddy. I know HBAR, I know XRP, I don't know XDZ and XLM. XLM is still something that I haven't loaded up, but I do know that it is that individual side, like if it was XRP Ripple, right? But that's stellar. That is XLM. XLM did phenomenal. Really, really nice. And I don't even have it bookmarked here, but I'll add it here. XLM right here. XLM, let's go ahead and save it. Where is here? Look at this, guys. I mean, XLM, wow. Precious, precious, precious. 51 cents. XLM. Where is Sunday? Right here. Sunday the 17th. So right about here. And look at the price right now. XLM did a whopping 169%. So a lot of people covering XRP on YouTube, they talk about XLM and XRP. I am not one of those, not because I don't want it, it's just because I'm kind of like focused a lot on XRP lately, which eventually I think I will cover XLM in due time. It's just that I'm right now taking my time. That's it. I'm just taking my time. People have asked me to talk about XRP meme coins. I'm taking my time. I really want to enjoy this XRP season and eventually jump into other ones when I want. But I know people have XLM and they love it. So for sure, you know, if you know more than anybody, then stick to it, right? Trade review in the house. What's up, man? Welcome. Rumors are emergency meeting between the SEC and XRP that settlement will be in 48 hours. Aussie. Hey, thank you, Aussie. If that's the case, like I'm telling you guys, we know. That's one of the reasons that I just buy XRP anytime I can. We know that we have so many great news for XRP and Ripple. If this upcoming week, listen, if this upcoming week BlackRock comes and says, we're launching, we want to apply for an XRP ETF, the price of XRP is going to skyrocket once again. Because even though the market already knows it's going to happen, it's BlackRock, guys. It's BlackRock. Like, come on. It's going to happen. So we have a lot of things going on. Earlier, I believe it was yesterday, Stuart, the chief legal officer of Ripple, said, victory. And we made a video about that one, victory. It's already getting ahead. Stuart, victory. There it is. Victory has 1,000 fathers, but make no mistake, the courage of Brad and Chris, the co-founders of Ripple, and the resilience of the expertise of the Ripple team, most of them, nobody knows them. Ripple provided the blueprint to defeat Gary Gensler. So the company that the crypto industry should be thankful for is Ripple. And that's going to be in the history books, guys. President Donald J. Trump will mention Ripple. Who's ready for that, by the way? Tell me, are you ready for that? Because Donald J. Trump loves to mention companies that are doing really well in the US. I know him because I've watched the guy for years now. He is going to mention Cardano. He's going to mention Bitcoin. He's going to mention Ripple. He's going to mention, all different kinds of companies, exchanges, Coinbase, Robinhood. I'm sure that he will. And what do you think is going to happen? What do you think is going to happen, guys? When the world starts hearing the first voices, right? It's like, OMG, what? Because realistically speaking, right now, what the United States normies know is Dogecoin, because the Department of Government Efficiency. That's what it is. That's what they know, Doge. Oh, I know about Doge because Elon Musk. They don't know Ripple. They don't know Cronos, right? Just what it is. Here we go. $5 from me to get some XLM. XRP may not get another chance at this level. Say thank you, Henry. Appreciate that a lot, man. Welcome. What do you think about Kaspa? I like Kaspa, bro. Kaspa is one of those that some friends that are very bullish on Kaspa tell me that it's the better Bitcoin. But I think a lot of the things right now we could consider as the better Bitcoin, because BTC, it is the standard, right, as far as store value. But as many leaders in the crypto industry have demonstrated and have spoken about, Cardano, Kaspa, Ethereum, right? We wouldn't really know until Bitcoin reaches its all-time high. We won't really know. Let Bitcoin reach all-time high. Where? Well, actually, that's a good question. I'm going to ask you guys right now, just after Fruit. Thank you, Fruit. I appreciate that kind of donation, brother. Thank you. Let's go, Oscar. Shiba Inu to 1 penny. XRP to 10,000 and some. The charts at Cast Team. Moon, don't sell your bags. Hey, thank you, Fruit and Badges. You really support, man. Appreciate that a lot. Thank you, bro. Rose says XRP, XLM, Cardano, and HBAR. I'm right now adding more HBAR and Ondo to my position. Those are two plays that I just don't see them failing. I mean, I think they're gonna do pretty nice. Cardano, HBAR, and algorand and Ondo. I mean, these are plays that, guys, they have everything. Once we really start majestically pumping, I think the meme coins really need to catch up, because look, Shiba Inu is already out of the top 10. Look, Dogecoin was like 5 or so when it pumped. Remember? Look, XRP passed BNB, right? And XRP passed Dogecoin. So Cardano is at 34. Cardano is going to pass Dogecoin. Cardano easily is going to pass Dogecoin. Tron is here. Shiba Inu is already going to under 14. So I think Sui has to do much better than this. And it was like, what, $4? Meme coins, I think meme coins really have to prove themselves. I may not be the only one with this mentality, because meme coins, we really haven't seen that season, that cycle when everything goes extremely crazy. So I'm really looking at meme coins right now. That's why I'm adding, right, the ones that are not listed on Coinbase, the ones that are not listed on Binance, because that's, I think, in my opinion, like when bread per se gets listed, boom, what happened to PEPE? The thing is that PEPE was listed not in an altcoin season. At the beginning of the bull market, at the entrance of the bull market, which is right now, but not at peak altcoin season, that happened to Shiba Inu. Welcome, fam. Happy to see 600 people with us. So always smash the like button, everybody, if you want to consider subscribing as well. And once again, I appreciate you guys stopping by because we do this every Sunday. As you know, we go live on special occasions too. Why? Well, because we like to be a part of this community live, right? Reacting and answering any questions that you have for sure. Because if it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't be here. And also because it's fun when we see the prices go up together. And look, we don't really need to have pumping prices to make videos or make updates. That's exactly why I'm here. The question is, who is selling? That's not attractive to say, per se, for views or something. But I'm honest to you guys, like, people are, who are they? And I'm buying. I'm going to say it again. Who is selling? I'm buying. I'm going in. And not really waiting for much. Not really waiting for much. They know that they want to liquidate some people. Well, Bitcoin, you have to bring it all the way down under 90. But will they be able to do so? I think meme coins are going to get regulated out of the market. Southwest. Can XRP reach 500 billion market cap? Yes. 500 billion market cap for XRP. You're talking 2020. I mean, in the 2020s, I do agree that we could see that 500 billion market cap. Yeah, I do agree so. Who agrees with me? 500 billion market cap XRP. Yeah, I do see it because $350 billion market cap for XRP is roughly $6 to $7. So 500 billion market cap XRP should be around $10, $9 something. Yep. Anything is possible in crypto as long as you're willing to wait. That's it. I'm also thinking with this new, more clear regulation, the utility coins will get more institutional attention and more retail as well. EO, yes. Let's talk a little. I think the conversation here is gaining some traction. Regulation, compliance, right? Laws, CBDCs, strategic reserve, Bitcoin. What Cynthia, the senator, right? What she's been speaking about. What major crypto leaders and even Donald Trump. When Trump gets into office, there's going to be a lot of things, right? Firing Gary Gensler, where he's leaving now, so that's going to be out of the way. Though, he's leaving. He's going to appoint somebody who's bullish. So as soon as we know, guys, as soon as we know who's going to be the next SEC chairperson, balloon to the moon. Easy pump. Honestly, you don't even have to plan it. We have the next SEC person, right? Leading. Can be a man, can be a woman. We'll see. And the treasury, he already picked one, right? And I think it's going to be somebody bullish based on what Brad Garlinghouse replied. So that's one of the reasons that we got to 99,000 BTC. And if you're just coming into the space, guys, right now, I was mentioning at the very beginning of the live that if you wanted to hear me say a reason why we are seeing more red candles right now, you know why? It's the stupidest reasons, but it might be right. It's because it's the weekend. This weekend, high news, low news. Many, not many. And actually, in fact, right here, we had Russia and all the attacks and the missiles and the nastiness that's going on in the war, right? So that's obviously not helping at all. So you just think about it. It's like, oh, well, that makes total sense. Just let the next week come in. Where is it going to take us? Because if we pass $100,000 this week, well, all I'm going to say to you guys is that I'm happy I bought some at these levels. I'm literally not stopping my purchases. If you want to know the latest, guys, well, In the description, you will find my Patreon link. Take a look at it if you want to be a part of the community. It is one of the things that I'm always updating my portfolio, my plays, my trades, my mentality. So we have a great community, and I love my Discord fam. Hey, Oscar, new to the channel. How many XRP is a good investment? As much as you're willing to hold based on your situation. You'll find a lot of videos as far as even some that I made, right? As far as how many per number, but the more the better, right? That's an easy answer. And because right now it's a little bit more difficult to buy XRP because it's well over $1, right? I've been making videos on XRP since it was 30 cents, 40 cents. So I per se, I feel good with the amount that I have, but I look at it and I say, I think I could buy more. So that's what I'll tell you guys. Taking a look at the comments again, bro. We should do a live with some of the chat. I'm down to go live with you. Yeah, I just wish that YouTube had a little bit of an easier platform for me to either talk to you guys, message you guys, because it's really bad. But thank you, bro. Definitely not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. So right here up top, guys, you have Margex, which everybody's more than welcome to join. First link down below. We have over 150 people, active traders, trading, buying, selling, getting liquidated, getting 100x positions, a whole deal. So you're more than welcome to use it, guys. Take a look at all the rules and instructions and everything if you can. But I just like it, man, because the more we get closer to the Trump presidency, the better the treatment for the crypto industry here in the United States. And I'll tell you something. As you know, I'm a Crow fan. I'm a Cronos holder. Crypto.com degen. The Crypto.com team is already planning in a roadmap, right, to launch the U.S. exchange next year, 2025. So that implies that they're bullish that this new administration is going to welcome more friendly, regulations. That's what we need, guys. There's so many companies that are awesome that I met in Singapore, but they cannot come here to the US because the regulations crush them completely. That is not good for us to grow in crypto, because there's some great platforms that a lot of people will want to use, but you cannot use because they're not regulated per se. So that being said, just wait for next year. Whatever happens right now in 2024, it's honestly just free. It's all free. It's just get as much as you can. Because, look, I'm no genie. I think the market has already taken a big chunk of assuming that Donald Trump is going to be the president. The market knows he's going to be the president now, but he's still not the president for obvious reasons, right? But what will the market react when he takes the oath of office and January 21st comes, right? The next day. Will it be a mega nice green candle saying, welcome to the market? Will it be a sell-off because now everybody knows he's there? I don't think it's going to be a big sell-off if it's one. I think we're going to start growing momentum because finally there's going to be all this array of news for Bitcoin, for the economy, for companies, for everything that we've been waiting for. Firing of the wrong people, hiring of pretty cool people. So I'm just saying, man, that's what I'm waiting. And whatever position that I can get right now, guys, I'm just doubling down. I'm just going in. Hopefully that makes sense for some of you guys, for sure, right? Siko, congrats on the 100K, Oscar. I've been watching you for at least 2 years. I was always very bullish for your 100. Thank you very much, man. Appreciate it. We do it for you guys. There's so much bullish news right now. The market should be going crazy. BTC is doing its job. Stack car scene, what's up, buddy? I know, right? That's why I'm asking who's selling, right? We're trying to find out. And one of the answers that I can give you guys is because it's the weekend, and two, I'm going in. What you sell, I buy. Period. I do 80% long-term investing, 20% trading. And you see right here, I use my Margex account. And I've showed you many times my winnings, my losings. Like I woke up today and I saw like 5 liquidations because XRP went all the way to 1.20 something. I'm like, okay, that's the nature of the game. You never bet more than you can afford losing. So that's fine. It is what it is. And I open up new ones. I got some profit there. So yeah, I mean, it's the way it is. But once you win big. You win big. Crazy roller coaster. I know, right? I know. It is. It's fine. Oscar, for somebody with a 1,000 portfolio, how many XRP coins could be a good starting point? Well, now $1,000 won't give you 1,000 XRP, which that's a problem. And if you want 100,000 XRP, which is the position that I was working so hard for, 100,000 XRP. Well, do you have $100,000+? Realistically speaking, not a lot of people. So don't feel bad if you don't reach that, right? Because 700 plus 800 plus people watching me, we want the price of XRP to go up now, not down. The election is over. We know who won. And if BTC goes to 100,000, more than likely altcoins will continue pumping. So sadly to say, you already are buying that FOMO-ish smoke, not euphoria. You're not buying euphoria, which is better, right? You are still walking in the doors of the bull market. You haven't entered the euphoria room, which is good. If the euphoria room is where you want to buy, let me be the first one to tell you, you're gonna regret your experience in crypto, because yeah, it's not gonna give you much. Euphoria is reserved for those who pay the dues of buying early, like me and like some of you guys. Euphoria is our destiny, where we sell and we get all those great, amazing profits. Buying euphoria equal wrecked 100%, man. I learned my lesson, guys, as some of you know, right? I learned my lesson. I didn't know what I was doing much back in 2021. So, yes, not doing it again. I'm prepared, ready, loaded, and oh, baby, I will tell you everything. I will share. I will live stream. I will make videos. So we have 100,000 people already ready. Let you be the next one. Subscribe, turn on the notification so you never miss an update. Because, guys, I'm sure that you have noticed, if you go to TikTok, especially here in the US, maybe in Europe or wherever you guys are watching us from, isn't it a little bit annoying? But I get it, that when you're looking on TikTok, because I use TikTok a lot, you see a lot of content creators in the finance, crypto, or fidelity or stocks, like they're popping off way more. Maybe it's because that's my algorithm and I see a lot of that. But if you're still looking at that, like there's a lot more people talking about now. And it's going to get worse, which equals good. It's going to get much more busy as we are rising in price. Oof, man. I remember that when Dogecoin was like absolutely exploding, and I remember when Shiba Inu was absolutely exploding. I remember when SafeMoon was crazy and Bitcoin and everything. All my TikTok back 2021 TikTok, woo, years ago. 2021 TikTok was like all finance, all meme coins, all degens, because it was the euphoria peak. We're not there yet. Just to tell you. Stopped and turn on notification. Thank you for the good advice. Next question. As somebody completely new to crypto, if have purchased some already, what should I do with crypto now? Well, depends on what your strategy is. I'm holding my bags for what exactly I'm talking about, man. So welcome. July 10th, Fed war mandate. Whatever coins you buy, be patient and wait till we head down to the daily lows. H-bar is low. I'm also DCAing on H-bar a lot. I am Cronos is also another one of my babies that as long as we don't go under 10 cents, I'm going to be very Gucci, very nicely fine. There's a Caspa that some of you were asking, guys. There's Caspa. Jasmy pumped finally after a long time, finally pumped, which is really nice. And now it's holding, right, the 25, which I'm good because I loaded a bunch of Jasmy, so I'm just going to see it grow. Solana, guys. Solana is the silent killer of this bull cycle. If you ask me, Oscar, tell me a token that is expensive, in my opinion, and that it still will perform very good. And the answer goes to not to Ethereum, not to Bitcoin, not to BNB. Let's say things straight. The token, the crypto, that it is expensive to buy, but it still has tremendous potential. Solana. Solana is a beast that, if you understand, Solana is a different animal. And I have some Solana, I'm happy to say it, that I bought under $200, that I'm happy to say it because it cost me to be brave. And I'm happy for it. And my entire community on Discord knows that. So you're more than welcome to join us, guys. But yeah, guys, Solana is still going to do very well. Just to tell you an idea, Solana, the conversation is that Solana will flip Ethereum. So Ethereum, obviously lagging a little bit, but still has potential, right? So I'm very bullish to see what happens. March 10th. Hey, thank you, Lonzo. Fed war mandate. Yeah, I gotta check that one for sure. Yeah, I mean, as far as payments, right? XLM, XRP, like what's gonna be selected? Oof, imagine, 900 people watching us. What's up, guys? Welcome. We're live, as you know, every Sunday. Oscar Ramos live, answering questions, chilling, laying back. I'm looking at your comments and I'm trying to give you the best I can, guys. And we're not technically having a mega pump or a mega dump. It's just we saw that some people sold. That's what the question, that's what the comment, right? But I'm going in. Couldn't care. If Michael Saylor sells, better for me, I buy cheaper. Period. Please smash the like button. Thank you so much, buddy. Appreciate it. Do you still have your amp? Yes, I do. Yes, I do have it. Strong memes trend. Shiba Inu, Floki, and more. Yeah, I mean, Shiba Inu, Floki. I mean, we haven't really discussed many meme coins right now, but you guys already know the ones that I'm holding in the Cronos chain and also Shiba Inu, right? And Brett. I have high conviction on all of them. On all of them. Knowing that Solana can easily pop another meme coin, right? If we come here, last 24 hours, right? Let's go to meme coins top. What we're going to see right now, let me move my friend the rock right here on this one. We have Dogecoin, Ethereum, Solana. I think it's Ethereum and Binance. Base, Ethereum, Solana, Base, and Notcoin. I'm not sure. So Peanut is actually coming up a little bit. I saw it earlier today, right? So which is going to win? Meme coin related, which is going to win, right? And I'm on this one, Shiba Inu. I'm on this one, PEPE. I'm on Bread. And I'm on Ponky. And of course, I'm missing many of them, right? I mean, I think I should be on many of them. But at the end of the day, meme coins are always risky. And if you want to put yourself in a risky situation, well, you're more than welcome for sure. Guys, go ahead and follow me on X if you have an account. Get my latest updates and info. There's the link down there for sure, guys. I'm always excited and able to provide some tips. People DM me and I reply to some of them, right? So sometimes there's a lot, but I always try to be available for sure. All right, taking a look at the questions, guys, as always, and stretching a little bit. 40 minutes, not bad. Now, the question in the chat, next week will be bullish. Over 1,000 votes. That's what people are saying, bullish. I'll take it. Because I'll tell you something that I just like about the crypto experience. It's super emotional. It happens to me, it happens to everybody. Emotions. It gets the best of us. We see the prices, a few candles, oh boy, watch out. We see a few candles up, oh boy, let's go. It's super emotional, right? That's why I always like to go macro, because if Bitcoin related, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Guys, this is Bitcoin. $52,000, $99,000. That is Bitcoin. What can you tell me when you see that chart? It's different, huh? If you're watching this video right now with me and you're a new person, if you're like completely new, you're like, okay, I have no idea what you're talking about. Help me. Okay. If you go granular, micro, you're like, oh, no, we're going down. No, it's over. Well, my friend, this is September 2024. Look at how much we've grown. From 50s, literally 2x, almost 2x. 50 to 100, 2x. Bitcoin did a 2x. And right here, you can clearly see how this is November 5th. This is November 5th, guys. And you know, right? Everybody knows. Look at the massive proportion. Even before he won, the price of Bitcoin was still trending higher. But you notice, take a look at this. Take a look at this. Notice how after a mega rally, we had a decent time of sell-off. And then another rally and sell-off. And then finally, this was the last sell-off that is significant for us to notice, because it went from 73,000 to 66,000. We haven't seen another sell-off like this. It is not in the trend. It is not in the trend. And this is something that I think I really have to mention in one of my upcoming videos, because I'm even learning myself right now. It just makes total sense. The charts have changed. So if we follow this, we created somewhat of a bull pennant right here, bull flag, and that's what we're trying to create here. So next week, we pass 100,000. So if you ask me, passing 100,000, it is what I'm looking for this upcoming week. Passing 100,000 based on the chart that I'm showing you right now. Now, let's show XRP. I think you guys already can see what I'm talking about here with XRP. This is the daily. Guys, this is the daily. Every single candle is 1 day. Check that out. That's a beautiful XRP pump candle, right? Calling Shiv is going to have a mini pump tonight. Yes, daddy. Why not? Let's go. Let's go. XRP right there looks extremely bullish, already completely decimated, right? Well, even if we have some corrections, I will still say that we had a great time and we can obviously come back up, which we will come back up. We will come back up. So that's the way I see it. For example, tokens like Shiba Inu has a completely unique trend going back to September. As you can tell, consolidation pump, consolidation pump, consolidation. You notice that? You notice that? So when you're trying to buy a crypto, where are you buying it? In its own unique pattern. Where are you buying it? Because if you understand the future of what's ahead for us in our industry, you know that you may be buying it here, which is green, but this is what's coming. Then after a nice retracement, you may be buying it here, but this is what's coming. And for Shiba Inu, I know, guess what's coming? Guess what's coming for Shiba Inu, guys? You know it. Boom. I already see it. That is what's coming for Shiba Inu. It is not there in the chart yet. This, let me get something right here. I'm going to get, no, it's here. There you go. It's going to be Bears pattern. There you go. I got it. This is what's coming, guys. Right here. There it is. There it is. See that? There it is. That's it. Piece of cake. So one of the reasons that I'm buying more XRP, more Shiba Inu, more of my high conviction plays is because I have already in my brain, I already know, macro what's coming up. So I don't have to worry. I just have to do what I need to do to put myself in a really good position. All right. I like the conversations, guys. Thank you so much, for helping me drive myself into these kinds of subjects. You guys are always awesome. Let's go ahead and bring BTC right now. And there we go. BTC, we had a 95. This is the hourly. So after a nice pump, 3 hours of dump, we'll see, how this one behaves right now. Bitcoin has already 2x. The top is already in. Now we're going to a bear market. Maybe you want to refer as a correction, which I agree. I mean, there's a chance, but a bear market? No, my friend, that's not happening. There will be an altcoin season before a bear market. Correct. A bear market, you're talking 2026 and of 2025. Bear market is not coming anytime soon. No, guys. I'm very happy that we have these questions because it comes to show that there's some new people. That's totally fine. We welcome everybody. I am not saying that I have the right answers, right? Obviously, like we're still going through this together, but understand that altcoins haven't pumped. Right now, this is Bitcoin season. Just take a look at the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance right now is 59. We got all the way to 59. So if we go to the daily Bitcoin dominance right here, take a look at this. In November, just a few days ago, was 61. So Bitcoin dominance is the key, guys. Remember, Bitcoin dominance, the higher it goes, more dominant than altcoins. The lower it goes and altcoins are going high, that means an altcoin season is near or it's happening. So these are some, key indicators that the altcoin season is now prepared. And as of right now, we still need to see, in my opinion, Bitcoin passing 100, maybe 110, 120. And then things are going to start shaking up for altcoins to start breathing again and saying, okay, it's our time. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So let's just be a little patient, right? We already are crushing it. So there's no really need to hurry much. But what I will say is that in the meantime, I'm trading. So if you are not there, guys, first link down below, join up Margex with me. And, we got hundreds of people right now trading. And it's been my passion right now to share my strategies. And every single day we try to add some new positions. And when we win actually pretty nice levels. Sometimes we get liquidated with crazy events that happen that are out of our control. But that is why you have some stop losses and things to prevent yourself from getting in that position. Luis, Oscar Live, of course, we're here, buddy. Welcome, welcome. Ali, hey, what's up, man? Happy to see you. I see the names. I remember the names. Because whales will sell Bitcoin at some point and buy altcoins. Yeah, they will. Absolutely, they will. Oh, boy, yeah, they will. In masses, guys. So, and even Elon Musk, the guy hasn't even taken his role as the Doge commander, right? As the Department of Government Efficiency point person, whatever. Him and Vivek. So I'm just excited to what's to come. Like I'm telling you guys, right now it's like 100,000 and XRP, and it's still we're like bullish or not, but it all can come very fast, and Bitcoin can rally to 150 like this, 150. And you are going to be like, oh, am I late to buy? And I'm like, what were you doing under $100,000? What were you doing, man? XRP will be $2. And you're like, oh, no, should I buy right now? And I'm like, what were you doing when I was mentioning that I was going in? Oh, Cronos is $1. Then what were you doing when I told you it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cents? Like, what were you doing, right? I mean, but you have to convince yourself at the end of the day, man. And I'm saying, guys, we're bullish. Shout out, Oscar. Thank you, Will. Appreciate it, man. I mean, it just makes total sense to me. I've done it. I've gone through it. And that's why we're doing these lives, right? So people kind of like get the idea fast instead of suffering. I fell behind on your live. What's going on, Andrews? We're here, man. We're here. Now I'm up to speed like Zoom. XRP Healthcare. Oh, look. No idea about XRP Healthcare. No idea. That's something I haven't even looked at. Oscar, what is your opinion on Ethereum? I loved it, man. I hold some Ethereum. Yes, for sure. Ethereum, I mean, RWA. I mean, it's not like I know them 100%, but I know enough to say I'm bullish. I know some projects, I know them a lot, way more, and I can tell you more about them, but understand that according to CoinMarketCap, there's 2.4 million cryptos. According to CoinMarketCap, there's 2.4 million cryptos. And every single day we add more and more and more. So it's very hard for me and for any human being to know everything, right? But we try. Oscar, the only crypto YouTuber keeping it real since I've been watching him for 3 years. Thank you, Ali. Appreciate that a lot. Thank you so much, bro. And I've seen you guys. I've seen the community, the effort, the passion, the support. It's phenomenal. What's up, Leandro? Nice to see you guys. Nice to see you. There's my 1 hour. Next week will be bullish. So to summarize everything, if tomorrow, Monday, we get decent news as I'm expecting, and you see the price back to 99, I told you. Easy. Guys, investors at large, they want reaffirmation. Right now, they're like, okay, let's just chill a little bit because it's Sunday, right? Tomorrow, Monday, I already see it. Watch your guru, right? Bitcoin Magazine. Breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. Oh, there you go. To the moon, Bahala. Easy. Easy. I mean, it's really not that complicated. It's like we took a little break, and that break was a 4% down price in Bitcoin and a 20% down price in XRP. Because XRP on Friday, it was 1.60, and we got all the way to 1.27, and now we're back to 1.30, 40. Hope you bought the dip. Hope you bought the dip. I'm not a financial advisor, right? But I'm just saying, I may get a lot of people saying, Oscar, can I buy a 250? And a 250 XRP, I'll tell you the same thing. Well, I'm already buying at 2. I'm already buying under 2. You know what I'm saying? So obviously, we'll come to a point that I'm going to probably slow down my XRP portfolio and then go to something else, right? So, but it's not happening yet. Oh, yes, Zero. Thanks so much for the kind donation, brother. Appreciate that a lot. Welcome, welcome. I sold because I heard a big dip was coming tomorrow, which I will definitely buy in after. Was it smart? Anything can happen in crypto, right? But I'm just saying, I mean, it's very easy for Bitcoin to go up now. Very easy. We're no longer in a... Because, guys, the only way Bitcoin goes down and the market falls is war, like I've already mentioned. That's the only factor that comes to mind. Obviously, you increase the issues in that department, yeah, expect very low Bitcoin price. But God willing, you know, we're not gonna get to that level. That's the only situation that I see where Bitcoin can drop in price, XRP can drop in price. Other than that, just your normal corrections. Just your normal corrections. That's it. So nothing to be panicking so far. Fly me to the moon, my man. You guys are always beautiful, awesome. My community just incredible. Well, guys, this week was awesome. All right. This week was awesome. And as we close this live, all I'm going to say is, are you ready for more? Because if you are, then you already know what to do at this point. You already know the links. You already know the places. You already know everything that I have to offer. And we're having tons of fun. So I want to see you there. We are going to be passing 100,000 Bitcoin soon, and I'm sure that the whole world is going to be watching. Actually, I want to do this. I always do this. So we're just at the end of this. So thank you so much for coming in, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. But I want to see what's the latest on this. Bitcoin coming in a little bit down past day. Okay, let's do Ethereum. No, Ethereum, nobody's looking for Ethereum. Let's be honest. XRP. Don't tell the Ethereum community. Let's do crypto. And let's go ahead and do... What do we do? Well, I think for now it's okay. So let's do past 7 days. So there you have it, guys. Let's move the rock right here just for a little bit. Okay. So what you have on the screen right now is the US, right? What you notice is that as the price of crypto and Bitcoin went high to close to 100, people were looking for it. As less people are browsing for Bitcoin, guess what happens? Interest goes down, Bitcoin price goes down. What's going to happen tomorrow and this upcoming week when the price of Bitcoin maybe potentially starts to rally? More people will find it. So If we go to the 30 days, which it's been less than 30 days that Donald J. Trump won, what I'm expecting is exactly that. On November 5th, right here, look at what happened to the price of Bitcoin and the interest on Bitcoin. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So it's clear, guys, that Bitcoin is coming in, and XRP, Bitcoin, right, and crypto, they're really not pushing enough. So they're gonna have its prime eventually, guys. Eventually. Now, if we do the world, it kind of looks the same in the world, right? Not many people looking for XRP. Not many people looking about crypto compared to Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and do stocks. I think stocks is another important. Ooh, stocks. Take a look at that. Actually, I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting that at all. I was expecting stocks to be much higher than XRP and crypto. But look, almost nobody's looking for stocks compared to Bitcoin. How about gold or the dollar? What do we do? Gold, let's say. Oh, okay. Okay. Would you look at that? Take a look at that. This is in the world. Let's take us back to the US. Okay, in the United States, people are looking more for gold right now than Bitcoin. So that's the battle. It's a good correlation because once you start seeing that gold trend go down and Bitcoin go up and they cross, I mean, at that point, it might be already too late, but you start to see huge excitement for this type of new digital currency. Okay, so I hope now by the end of this one, you're getting more education, right? You're getting more knowledge, because one of the reasons that I'm very bullish on what I'm doing, and I know this is gonna take me years to enjoy, because financial freedom, money is gonna happen no matter what. But this is exciting to do in crypto. It's because these trends are gonna change people's lives, guys, and I really want to be here to see it. All right. 800 people still watching me. And even though I'm so boring, I mean, you guys are phenomenal for keeping up with me. So thank you so much, my incredible, awesome community watching us, guys. Thank you to all the donors, to all the members who are here, to my moderators. You already know about the links down below. If you're interested, go ahead and crush it, because we are. So more than welcome. Thank you for being in this position. Exactly, you'll be silly to hold cash at this moment. It's depreciating at faster rate than ever. Anything in crypto is more valuable. Copper, yeah. I mean, some of you already know the story, right? But I bought an entire Bitcoin instead of holding my cash for 4.5% APY on Robinhood, and guess what? I'm making way more, obviously, right now because Bitcoin is much higher than cash, right? So good choice. Good choice. That's what I'll tell you. Thank you, Giovanni, and everybody here. Please be safe. Thanks a lot. There's the 1 hour, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Let's go. Thanks, everybody. Catch you in the next one. Blessings.